Howdy, my name is Brian. I will show you how to install a notebook hard drive. Here is your notebook, okay? Here is the caddy for it. This is what you put your hard drive in, and this is the faceplate. Screws, and your hard drive. Basically, you take your caddy, okay? Take your hard drive, place it in the caddy, okay? Then you want to screw in the screws to hold the hard drive in the caddy. Okay, now you put the hard drive in the notebook, slide it in, you got one more screw to screw it down, okay, that holds it in place. Take your faceplate, pop it in place, two more screws. That is how you install a notebook hard drive.